Have you ever wondered how wastewater from toilets, wash basins, showers, and kitchens is safely removed from a building? This is where the drainage piping system plays an important role. In this video, we will understand what drainage piping is, the different types of drainage pipes, important components, pipe slope, venting, installation methods, and common mistakes. So, let's get started. 1. What is drainage piping? Drainage piping is a plumbing system designed to collect and transport wastewater from plumbing fixtures to a drainage network, sewer system, or treatment facility. Wastewater can come from toilets, wash basins, showers, floor drains, kitchens, and other fixtures. The drainage system should be properly designed so that wastewater flows smoothly by gravity without leakage, blockage, or bad odors. 2. Types of drainage pipes. Common drainage pipes used in buildings include UPVC pipes commonly used for soil, waste, and rainwater drainage. HDPE pipes used for drainage applications where flexibility and strong jointing are required. Cast iron pipes used in some commercial and high-rise buildings because of their strength and acoustic performance. Concrete pipes, generally used for external underground drainage networks. The selection of pipe material depends on the project design, building type, temperature, pressure, and local standards. 3. Soil pipe and waste pipe. A soil pipe carries wastewater containing human waste from toilets and urinals. A waste pipe carries wastewater from fixtures such as wash basins, showers, sinks, and floor drains. These systems are connected to the building's drainage network and eventually discharge into the sewer or treatment system. 4. Important drainage components. Some important components of a drainage system are floor drain, P-trap, S-trap, cleanout, soil stack, waste stack, vent pipe, drainage branch pipe, inspection chamber, manhole. Each component has a specific function and must be installed according to the approved plumbing design. 5. Importance of pipe slope. One of the most important points in drainage installation is ** proper pipe slope ***. Drainage pipes normally work by gravity, so the pipe must have sufficient slope to allow wastewater to flow naturally. If the slope is too low, wastewater may flow slowly and cause deposits or blockages. If the slope is excessive, liquid can flow away too quickly while solids may remain inside the pipe. Therefore, the slope should always follow the approved project drawings and applicable plumbing standards. 6. Traps and venting. A trap is installed below many plumbing fixtures to maintain a water seal. This water seal helps prevent sewer gases and unpleasant odors from entering the building. The drainage system also requires proper venting. Vent pipes allow air to enter the drainage system and help maintain proper pressure inside the pipes. Without proper venting, traps can lose their water seal and drainage performance can be affected. 7. Drainage pipe installation. Before installation, the plumber should check the approved drawings and pipe routing. First, mark the pipe route and required levels. Then install the pipes with the specified slope. Make sure joints are properly connected and supported. Provide cleanouts at the required locations for future maintenance. After installation, check the alignment, slope, supports, and connections. Finally, carry out the required testing before closing the ceiling, shaft, or wall. 8. Drainage testing. Drainage piping should be tested according to the project specification and applicable standards. Common testing methods may include a water test or other approved methods depending on the system and local requirements. During testing, check for leakage, joint failure, pipe damage, improper connections, blockage, incorrect slope. Any defect should be rectified before the system is handed over. 9. Common drainage installation mistakes. Some common mistakes include installing pipes without proper slope, poorly connected joints, insufficient pipe supports, incorrect trap installation. Missing cleanouts, improper venting, using the wrong pipe size, not testing the system before concealment. These mistakes can lead to leakage, blockage, bad odors, and expensive maintenance problems. Conclusion: a properly designed and installed drainage piping system is essential for the safety, hygiene, and performance of any building, from pipe selection and slope to traps, vents, testing, and maintenance. Every part of the system is important. If you are learning plumbing and MEP, understanding drainage systems is one of the most important skills for site engineers, supervisors, and technicians. If you found this video useful, like the video, subscribe to Global MEP Academy, and follow us for more practical MEP and plumbing knowledge. Thanks for watching.